We need to get you some brand ambassador stuff. Hey everybody, it's me again. Imani, Hopeless Romantic, and Tino. And it keeps raining. You might be able to hear the thunder and stuff. So we can't go out and play, and we're upset about it. But while we're stuck inside, I decided I wanted to do an unboxing. We got a brand ambassador box. I'm really excited to get into what's in this box. It's not only my first box from Botanical Bliss, it's my first box as an official brand ambassador, period. Like, we got a brand ambassador box, Tino. Like, oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna grab my box and we are going to get started. So here's the box, and there's all kinds of cool stuff inside. So we're gonna unbox my Botanical Bliss brand ambassador package. Are you ready? Awesome. Okay, ooh, flyers. Whoever, girl, she is cute. Whoever this is, she is super cute. Thank you guys. Oh, there's a note. It says, congratulations, you've been selected to join our team as a brand ambassador. Thank you so much. It's personal. But at the end it says, welcome to the Botanical Bliss family. I haven't even gotten to the products yet and I already feel like I'm a part of something. Okay, let's get into these packing peanuts first of all, because these are my fave. All right, here we go. I have some to chase my dog under my bed because he was eating my hair clips. Sorry about, oh God. Back to the matter at hand. So here we go, guys. I have Caribbean moisturizing hair lotion. Oh, I love hair lotions because since my hair is so thick, I have to moisturize like every 2 days, I would feel like, because first of all, because it's thick and because it's color treated. So I feel like my hair just soaks up every bit of moisture, and like oils kind of just sit on top of my hair. So I really love a good hair lotion. Let me open it so I can smell it. I'm so out of breath, this is embarrassing. Paraben free, sulfate free. Oh, it's a moisturizer and a leave-in conditioner. Honestly, this is probably not supposed to be this difficult. I'll worry about it later. It has aloe vera juice, soybean oil, sunflower oil, yes. Oh, vitamin E, shea butter. We about to get real acquainted. Just put a little bit right there. So that is the Caribbean moisturizing hair lotion from Botanical Bliss. Oh, probably should put it over there. Coconut kiwi cleansing co-wash. Try saying that 5 times fast. Paraben free, sulfate free, it's creamy, it does not sud, and it helps to retain moisture. That's good. I needed a new co-wash. When I say y'all wrapped these products, smells delicious. It smells sort of like the hair lotion. These smell very like islandy. I don't know what that shit was. Now I have some stimulating pre-poo oil trim. Oh my God, remember I just recorded a video of my pre-poo routine and I was just using olive oil, and now I have this and it prevents breakage, which is great for people with color treated hair. I cannot wait to use this. For those who don't know, pre-poo is what you do before you shampoo. You're conditioning your hair. It's great for when you have had a protective style or like just you've gone a minute without washing your hair. You want to get your hair ready to shampoo. So a pre-poo, let's smell it. Ooh, smells like tea tree oil. It has extra virgin olive oil, grapeseed oil, yes, jojoba oil, coconut essential oils. Oh, it says plus love. That's one of the ingredients. You guys, that's so sweet. It smells like tea tree oil, but it doesn't have tea tree as one of the ingredients. Smells delicious either way. Okay, what is this? Banana coconut hydrating shampoo. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Banana coconut hydrating shampoo. Ooh, very childish. Oh, it's vegan and it's infused with black castor oil. Black castor oil is good for hair growth. So I'm ready to use this, okay? Oh. Rosemary, lavender infusion, castor seed oil. Yes, y'all getting it popping over at Botanical Bliss. Okay, let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, it smells so... You know what it smells like? It smells like a banana Laffy Taffy. And I don't even like banana Laffy Taffies to eat, but they do smell good. Come here, Tino, you wanna smell it? No, don't lick it. Okay, I got a couple more things in here. I have this banana coconut conditioner that goes with the shampoo. I'm gonna assume that it smells the exact same way, but because I want to smell them all, I'm gonna take this out of the thing. Yep, it smells exactly like the other one. It smells delicious. I wanna go to the corner store now, the candy lady, and get me some Laffy Taffies. Oh, pineapple curl refresher. This is great. It has aloe vera, kosher vegetable glycerin. This is good for like in the morning when I wake up and I've like slept with my hair in like my bonnet or whatever. Maybe I didn't twist it the night before. I have to refresh my curls in the morning. So I usually will, and this is a trick, guys, listen closely, turn on my shower for the steam, and then I spray it with like water and conditioner mix to refresh and fluff with a pick. Get out of my closet. Moisture from the steam fluffs your hair up some more, gives you good second, third day hair. So I'm excited to use this instead of my little concoction. Oh my God, it smells delicious. Yummy. Man, I'm at the bottom already? This is the end? Ooh, lemon meringue curl detangling custard. I absolutely love a good custard. Again, my hair is very thick, so like light moisturizers only do so much, but a good custard, the way it'll wrap around your curls and have them kind of like weighted a little bit, and moisturized, I love it. Oh my God. It smells like a lemon cookie. Can I eat this? No, you guys, I'm not serious. I seriously wouldn't want to eat it, but you know, natural products and stuff, sometimes people be like, it's so natural, you can eat it, but I don't think I can eat it. The directions say, scoop out a liberal amount into the palm of your hand and evenly apply throughout the hair. Listen to me, a liberal amount? I'm tired of hearing a dime-sized amount, a quarter-sized amount. What I'm gonna do with a dime-sized amount on this much hair? Let me know. I really appreciate y'all for telling me that a liberal amount will get me where I'm going. Thank you for being liberal, Botanical Bliss. Bless you. Anyway, this smells delicious. I cannot wait to use this on my hair. I'm sure it's gonna have my curls all juicy and everything. You guys, that's it. That is my first box as a brand ambassador. I'm really, really excited to get to use these products. It smells delicious. This is the perfect thing to do on a rainy day. On my next wash day, I'm gonna get into these and I'll give you a review on what I've got and what I was able to use and what styles I was able to create. Like, oh my God, my mind is like going. Thank you, Botanical Bliss. I'm so happy. I'm so excited to use all this stuff. Yeah. Catch you on the next video. Bye.